Okay, Fenty face, give it to us. Skin is glowing, face is popping, eyes are popping, brows are popping. But this video is brought to you by Fenty Beauty. So the star of the show is the Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara. And I think this is one of the best mascaras that I've tried, and you guys will see in the video why I say that. I think just the way the brush is very unique, and it makes a big difference. You guys, first of all, let's talk about the lack of eyelashes that I have. You guys can see the work on my bottom lashes because I have bottom lashes, but I wear lash extensions so much that these lashes are kind of struggling. God just did not bless me with nice long lashes. It wasn't a gift. It's a full Fenty face, but I do have to say there was one product that I used. I had to use it and it wasn't Fenty. So is this really a full Fenty face? Hey guys, I am back. I'm gonna do my brows off camera, but I am using the Fenty because I just did a brow routine. So I'm gonna take the Fenty Beauty Brow MVP. I did use this once before, and I am taking the shade Dark Brown. It has a brush instead of a spoolie, and it's different. I've never seen anything like this before on a brow product, so I thought that was pretty cool. It works just as good as a spoolie, in my opinion. And I have this cute little Fenty mirror. Guys, I am taking a break from nails for a while, like acrylic, so I had to put these like press-on nails for the video. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the Fenty concealer just to conceal my brows. I'm gonna take, and thank God I got more because I was running out, of 310. I did a almost full face of Fenty the other day, and the way my skin was just glowing. It was like a natural face. So I'm really excited to see how this turns out with like a complete full face, because I didn't use the powder the other day. I'm gonna take the shade 330 and the concealer and go above my brow, because 310 is just too bright. Was that 310 that I used? Over your brow, you want to use a similar color to your foundation shade, so it can blend in nicely. I need more coffee. You guys know I'm super, super, super dry skin, and this foundation, this primer, Lord, Teaira, get it right. Hold on. We gotta have a meeting. I have to have a meeting in my head with myself. This primer is a really amazing primer if you have dry skin. If you have oily skin, I'm not quite sure about it, but I think if you have dry skin, this primer is a must. This is a hydrating primer. It feels amazing on the skin. It doesn't have a scent. I don't usually use primers though. Like, some people live by primer. If they don't do their primer, they think it's a wrap. Like, they just wasted their makeup. I'm just going to conceal the spots that I have like dark marks. They're not like super dark, but discoloration. I'm also gonna prime my eyelids. So now I'm gonna take the Fenty Pro Filter foundation. I'm so glad they did a hydrating foundation. It's been out for a while now, but I could not get with the matte foundation. I just never wore it. I bought it and never wore it just because it don't work for me. Like, I'm just too dry for all of those products. So this is a great foundation. You guys know I like the NARS, but I've been going, I don't know, this reminds me so much of NARS too, so I go back and forth with the two. These two shades, because it's just, one is warm and then one is cool, but it works for me because I feel like I have a cool skin tone, but it's also warm. I don't know. And I'm gonna use them both, even though the undertones are completely different. What it do, baby? That feels good against my skin. I love the coverage of this foundation. I feel like I'm painting my face, literally. When I use brushes, I feel like I'm painting my face. I guess I am in a way, but I don't want to feel like I'm painting my face. And I feel like Fenty has such an amazing range of foundations and concealers. They did such a good job. I'm just gonna take a sponge for the rest of my face. I just love how my skin looks. like it still looks like skin. Do you know what I mean? Like I like for my foundation to still look like skin. See how that's like my perfect shade? And I feel like when you wear a bun or a ponytail, your neck has to match your face. Like your foundation needs to match. So I'm gonna take the Pro Filter Concealer in 440. I'm gonna take this bronzer brush. It makes it so much easier to work with. I'm gonna go in with that sponge that I use with my foundation. I'm gonna blend all of that out. If I could get away with not setting my foundation, that would be love. I want that wet look. Honey, there won't be any makeup if I did that. We're gonna take the concealer in 310. And one thing I do notice with the foundation, you do have to set this foundation. There's no way you're gonna get away with not setting it. I really love how natural it is, and I think that's because it's so hydrating. And it's not matte, it's not gonna stick in place. You have to set it. Oh, it looks so flawless. Yes. I literally wish I did not have to set my face, because this would be golden. I know this powder is super thick. I like thick powders for under my eyes, just not my whole entire face. You do have to set this as soon as because everything that I'm using is so hydrating. You have to set it as soon as you apply it under the eye. So I'm gonna take the powder, get the excess off, light layer first to start with, like I would normally do. Then going with the heavier layer. That definitely brightened under my eye. Then I'm gonna set around my mouth. Lord knows. Around my mouth, it's so disrespectful. But I'm just gonna lightly take some powder, not too much, and lightly set the rest of my face. I'm gonna take this bronzer and eyelining. We're gonna get to the fun products, the new products soon. We have some really new exciting products. Well, these came out like a month ago. These are the Snap Shadows, and they have what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. And they all have different numbers on them. And the reason why they're called Snap Shadows, and I actually have not tried this yet. I think you can snap them together. Oh, that's pretty. Did y'all see that? Okay, that's pretty. So these probably are my two favorites actually. So these are snapped together. And then this is 4. That's 4, so you can snap your two favorites together, throw it in your little bag, and call it a day, honey. Oh no. Let me go in with this right here. Blend that into my nose. Well, this is like the perfect crease color. Yeah, let's go in with this mauve-ish shadow and the 4. Snap shadow in 4. It's like a mauve-y pink. I'm gonna take this light pink shadow. That is not a soft glam, right? Oh, that's too pink for soft. Or is it too pink for soft? I'm over here talking to myself, looking for a response from y'all. It ain't happening. I'm feeling it though. On Wednesdays, it is Wednesday. On Wednesdays, we wear pink. That's so pretty. This is a soft glam, right? It's not too harsh. And this is my second time trying soft glam though, so. There's like new terms every day for old, like makeup tricks or makeup looks. We're gonna do this on the outer. So these are actually new and they're out today also. This is the Fly Pencil Longwear Pencil Eyeliner. So this one is Cause I'm Black. So it's supposed to have like an instant color payoff. Ooh. Well, damn. Oh, this is very pigmented and it's easy to apply. Like it's like a cream that just melts. I'm gonna apply that to my waterlines. Very smooth, might I say. It's supposed to be smudge resistant too, so that's really good. Some new products from Fenty. I'm here for it. For the star of the show, is this what we've been waiting for? Cue Meat Meal. I just got energy out of nowhere. Like, I really like this mascara. I've been trying it, and I don't know, for the month of December, sis has not had eyelash extensions, but I was also taking a break, so I needed a really good mascara. So I really do like this mascara. It's a new product. It is out today, by the way. I will have a link down below for you guys to get the Fenty products that I use. There's a few mascaras that I actually really like, and those are the ones that I use all the time. And I can tell that I will be using this one all the time. This is the Full Frontal Mascara. And what's really unique about this mascara, which I personally love, and this is why I think this is gonna do amazing, is the wand. This is like the old YouTube trick that I gotta do for it to focus. Y'all not about to play with me. So the one thing I really like about this mascara, this is the fat side, right? And then it goes to the flat side. So there's a fat to flat side. The fat side builds volume and lifts the lashes, and then the flat side defines and curls. And I really like the flat side. You would think I love the fat side, but I think because it just defines and it just curls it, so you can just like lift the lashes up. Because from the front, honey, my lashes are like my lashes are like this long. I don't know, God did not bless me with that, you know, so whatever. So it volumizes, lifts, lengthens, and curls the lash. Y'all are gonna see what I'm talking about, even though I don't have lashes, so here goes nothing. So I'm using the flat side. I mean, that's what I really use majority of the time, because I like that it just lifts the lash up. And I like that there's a good amount of product that comes on the lash, because I can't stand those those mascaras that has like no product and you gotta like get all up in there and then like only use like the tip. I don't want to always just use the tip to put product on. I do it still, but I want it to be on the brush too, you know. Let's use the fat side. And you can play around with it. I think I really enjoy the fat to flat side, because you can play around with it. You can lengthen it. You can do whatever you want, sis. It's your life. It's your life, your lashes. Do what you do. It's crazy how my bottom lashes are longer than my top lashes. People who have naturally long lashes, I envy you, okay? I know what to pray for tonight. Some lashes, God. All right, so next step. I'm gonna use some highlighter, and I'm gonna use Hustler Baby. Yeah, all right, so I'm gonna take Uncuffed in the Stunner Lip Paint. This color you can get away with without using a lip liner, I think. We was this close, but I need a lip liner. I'm applying my KKW Nude 2. I'm going with a little bit of Unbutton. But I just added some of this Gloss Bomb and Fussy. This is my favorite. I was going on and raving about it, but my camera wasn't on. But I really, 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 really love this Gloss Bomb. I really like it. Giving you soft glam. The lip isn't really soft glam, is it? Okay, so this is pretty much the look. This is a Fenty face. I love, like, I feel like Fenty just has great products all around. So yeah, we do have 2 products that are available today. You can get the Fly Liner, all right, and don't forget the Fenty Beauty mascara. This is the star of the show. Sis ain't got no lashes on. Okay, see, my bottom lashes will do, like, you can see the work on my bottom lashes, but my top lashes, they're just non-existent. And anyways, I will have a link down below for you guys to get the Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara, and all of the products that I used today will be in the description box as well. Let me know if you guys like this look. This is a very simple, soft glam. I think it's soft glam. Let me know if it's soft glam, because y'all, I don't know what is soft glam nowadays. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.